Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into the latest smart band from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. This smart band is a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts and fitness buffs alike. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 features a sleek design with a metal frame and a variety of colorful straps, including a special ceramic edition for those who want a touch of luxury. The 1.62-inch AMOLED display offers a stunning 1200 nits of brightness and over 200 watch faces, allowing for endless personalization to match your style. Health monitoring is a key feature of the Smart Band 9, with a 16% improvement in heart rate accuracy, blood oxygen tracking, and stress monitoring. The band also offers enhanced sleep tracking, suggesting optimal sleep cycles to help you get the best rest possible. For fitness enthusiasts, the Smart Band 9 supports over 150 workout modes, including guided running courses, making it your ultimate workout companion. In terms of connectivity, the Smart Band 9 comes with Bluetooth 5.4, allowing you to control your music, reply to messages, and check the weather right from your wrist. Select models even come with NFC for contactless payments, adding an extra layer of convenience. The band is also water resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for swimming and other water activities. Battery life is another strong point of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. With a 283 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 21 days of use on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is available in 3 versions. The standard model at approximately $34, the NFC model at around $41, and the ceramic special edition at about $48. Currently, it's on sale in China, with global launch details yet to be announced. That's all for today's review of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. What feature of the Smart Band 9 are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.